Hey there friends on YouTube, my name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe please. If you've been here before, thank you. For my next video, I'd like to do a review on an item from the company Baseus, and it's called their Sharp Tool Hammer. So let's go ahead and do an unboxing first. So we have the box, Baseus. Okay, let's go ahead and cut this open. Okay, let's pull this out. And I kind of have a surprise for everyone here towards the end. Yes, that is a piece of glass they included. And one side is for cutting, like a strap seatbelt. That is pressurized right there. Okay, it's pressurized. You push hard. So for the next clip, I'm going to slow it down to 0.4 times the normal speed because I didn't expect that to happen. I thought there was going to be just a hole go into it. It literally exploded glass all over. I mean, it doesn't just put a hole. And then here's the clip at normal speed. See, it just explodes. So it definitely works. So on to the other end. This is the end that cuts your seatbelt. You just put the seatbelt on that and you push. There's no scissor action or anything. You just push the device along the seatbelt and it'll cut your seatbelt right off. So let's go ahead and talk a little bit about the item. So it has a strong tungsten steel car window breaker. It takes 1 second to break a car side window, which can easily break the window even withstanding the underwater pressure if the car's underwater. Has a protected blade design seatbelt cutter. It has built-in sharp stainless steel blade that will cut off the seatbelt in an instant. With a U-shaped hidden blade design, it's safe and will not hurt your hands. It has a rigid spring-loaded window breaker, the built-in high-pressure spring that breaks glass in 1 second with the pressure of one finger in case of emergency, allowing you to quickly escape. So the directions are: take out the safety hammer, press gently at the 4 corners of your side window. The front and rear windshields are explosion-proof windows. More force is required for those. Clear the debris and escape. That's simple. So it's a 2-in-1 safety tool. This window breaker seatbelt cutter can help you and your family quickly escape when your car is trapped. The seatbelt cutter is built-in sharp stainless steel blade. In case of an emergency, open the protective cover and aim the U-shaped blade at the seatbelt. The sharp stainless steel blade can cut off the stuck seatbelt in an instant. With U-shaped hidden blade design, it's safe and will not hurt your hands. It has the 1 second window breaker designed with spring-loaded window breaker and a tungsten steel head. It'll easily break metal and glass. The sturdy tungsten steel blade has a hardness of up to 55. Our window glass breaker has a built-in high-pressure spring that breaks glass in 1 second with the pressure of your finger. This is reusable and simply resets after each use. It is a safety life hammer glass breaker that every driver should carry in your vehicle. It's an emergency escape tool. A car glass breaker can be used in a variety of situations such as a rollover, electrical system failure, car fire, flooding, and so on. If the car is submerged, the electrical system will be short out and will not be possible to open the doors or roll down the windows. The car safety hammer is not afraid of water pressure. interference protecting you to get out of your vehicle quickly and underwater. Don't be a helpless victim. It's lightweight and portable, easy to place. The gadget is lightweight, small sized, and easy to carry. It can be put in your pocket or purse. The shell is made of aluminum alloy, which can withstand high and low temperatures, and the frosted metal texture makes it more compatible with your car. Each safety hammer comes with a base, which can be attached to the car at will. Portable and professional self-rescue tool for you and your family to escape quickly. So that's my video on the Baseus Safety Hammer. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. And until next time, I'm out.